This is a quick tip showing you exactly how you can reconcile from your bank feed while also applying it to a product and service and customer at the same time to save you an additional step. So in QuickBooks, I'm looking at my bank feed here. If I want to click on an item and add it into my register, when I go ahead and choose it, you're going to notice on my QuickBooks account, I have the ability right here before I add it into my register to select a payee or customer. So this would be that appropriate project in Ressio. And then I also have the ability here to tie it to a product and service right here from my bank feed. So having these two things activated right here within your bank feed is going to save you a step so you don't have to go back in and update it later. So if I choose the vendor and I choose the product and service, and then I go ahead and hit add, it's going to add it to my register, apply it to the right customer and the right product and service. If you don't have the option here for a product and service, you should always have the vendor customer, but if this one is missing, it's pretty simple to enable. What you want to do is you just want to go to your gear icon, you want to head into your account and settings, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to find expenses. So under expenses in this specific section here, bills and expenses, we want to make sure we turn on the show items table, which is this one. And we want to make sure that we also turn on track expenses on a customer level, which is right here. So as long as these two options here are enabled, you'll be able to reconcile right from your bank feed while adding it to a customer and project and a product or service at the same time. Let me know if you have any questions.